go, oh no you didn't. Sucker tried to play me, but you never paid me, never. Oh no you didn't. Payback is a coming, you will be running forever. Oh no you didn't. Until I get my vengeance, I will never end this mayhem. Oh no you didn't. I'm a mercenary, you ain't got a prayer, you owe me. Oh no you didn't. Oh no you didn't. Oh no you didn't. Oh no you didn't.
Blind leading the blind, is it?
Yeah, looks like it.
Line up to get shot, everybody. Who's next? Trying to cross the fuck.
Yeah, one grenade, mate. That's the whole fucking corridor done.
Just step in room on the right, Mark.
Oh, sorry about sorry about Hit! Come on! Go guys! Let's go get some! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Guys, just go for it! Go, 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 go! Going around the corner there.
Down the archway to the dark on the left hand side.
Yeah, laser coming up.
That's it. Go, 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 get out.
Move up on your man! Keep pushing the door! Keep moving!
Come out! Wherever you are.
You're good.
Hit! The grenade might have been made. What have we got round there? Wise, watch right, mate! What's that corridor in the middle? What's the right? We're on the right!
Oh, they pressed the fucking over there.
Up and down! Up and down! Hey! Someone behind the desk as well.
That's reflect on the rock, Steve. this room, clear this room. Then go to the go. Follow me. Break to the next room and clear the next room, guys.
Yeah, coming across from that end one. They move approved from in that right side somewhere.
That's fire.
What's going on? There's shots down this room, I think, wasn't there?
We're shot in the front, we're not fucking doing it up or down. Down, right? We go down, right?
One would think so. Oh, that's all right.
How far up are on that right, guys? The next straight through into the main ward yet now?
Who's that head? That's friendly, yeah? No more rooms, is there? Everything clear? Clear?
Okay, guys, back to stage 7, quick reload! Finish the reload and back to
Where's right, dummies like that?
Are they shining lights without looking?
Yeah, they're using them as dummies, ain't they? Huh?
Just lost one on the right.
So there's only two lads over there.
Well, we're down on three, just smashed one over there.
Oh, right.
But we need more people on this side, I think.
It's still alright. It's just you. Oh, you got two of you. Take that one. Yeah. Where was that grenade in that second room? Was that hostile? What a, you know. Hang on. No, they're on this door here. Watch your head. Reinforcement on this side!
Step there, cross it. Step there.
Call me when I'm clear, buddy. Call me when I'm clear. Fucking hell. Did you see that fire coming past? Like, I literally all tucked in just there. There's a shitload of fire coming past there.
There you go, mate.
Yeah, there's a bang on the corner there. That's straight across!
He was tearing it up, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Tearing it up. Then they shot him in the face.
Sounded about rough.
Anyone got ice through that doorway still? Good.
I think there's a couple on the other side of this and here as well.
Man, this gun is fucking awesome. Fun, isn't it?
What's this barrel there? Enemy.
I might have to get one of these. Yeah. They do a nice GT in it as well.
Down there, what's this?
Oh, it's on your hand!
Dan! You got a corner on this guy in the stairwell. Grenade!
I think that was a dud.
Dud.
Yeah. Bastards. Hit! Just play across it.
Oh, shit.
Dead play coming out of the reception.
Dead player! Dead player!
Okay. Play on.
You know that.
Dead player coming through! Dead player coming through! Dead player!
They're out there.
Okay. Dead player moving right to left. Dead player coming out.
Hit you first, buddy. Marshall, is that alright? Show him and he put rounds with me. Come on. You alright, buddy? Cool. Hit! There, player, walk in.
Our guys have been out there. Yeah, it's all we can say
Oh, if these guys got to fall back out of there, I'll keep the door shut. What's that corner? We can kick that stub out on that corner on that door. Is there, you got to clear a line? Is there anyone out there?
No, oh yeah, I wouldn't go there now.
No, I was just trying to keep the wedge out of the door. Where's that coming from? Was that our backhand? Was that ricocheted, wasn't it? Big man coming across!
Sorry.
That's alright.
Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Hold on! Hold on! Hold on! Pull in!
Again, took a block up here.
Dead player! Dead player!
Step player coming out! Step player coming through! Step player!
George.
Yeah, mate.
This is Sean.
One on the floor. He's gone. There's one on the floor behind the counter.
He's gone.
Hit. Step player.
There, one in the room left, one in the room.
It's made for that hatch is shut up. Fucking noise.
Going